How do I center text layer horizontally in Photoshop? Okay, select the text layer in the layer panel. And so I'm going to select it here. You see I've got center this please. I'm going to select it, hit Control A, and then I'm going to go to the Move tool and I'm going to click the line horizontal center. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm going to hit Control D to unselect it. I'm hitting Control Z to undo it so we can get it back. Okay, and so I'm going to show you how to do multiple layers. So I'm going to select the text layer in the layer panel, but I'm going to hit Control to select multiple. So I'm selecting this layer and I'm selecting this layer. And then I'm going to hit Control A and I'm going to hit this icon, which is the align horizontal centers, both of them center. And I'm going to hit Control D to unselect. Easy peasy lemon squeezy and no time wasting.